So hello friends, today we discuss about how to make a variable normal because in previous video we have discussed about how to check the normality. Now the condition is that when your variable is not normally distributed, then what is the process of making it normal in SPSS. So here we have taken three different variables, that is which is measured on interval and ratio scale, and these are the scores of the students, that is math score, English score and the Hindi score. Now how firstly we will check the normality of these three variables. So we will go to analyze, descriptive statistics and explore. We will select all the three ratio variables in dependent list. We will click on plots. We will deselect all and simply click on plots, and then continue and then OK. What we will get, we will simply click on check this table, that is test of normality. From here we will see that math score is in KS and SW test. The math score is not normally distributed, the English score is not normally distributed because this significance value for both the test is less than 0.05, and we have already discussed that for a variable to be normally distributed for both the tests, the p value should be greater than 0.05. So here in Hindi score, for KS test, it is the significance value is 0.193, and for SW test the significant value is 0.019. So if for any one of the test the p value is greater than 0.05, then you can say that this variable is normally distributed. So here also we can see that the value of p for one test is greater than 0.05, but for another test the value of p is less than 0.05. So then also we can say that this Hindi score is normally distributed. Now we have to check the normality of these two. From here we can conclude that both the variables, that is math score and the English score, are not normally distributed. Now what is the process of making it normal? So we will go to simply again we will go to transform and compute variable. When you click on this, new window will open, and here what you will do, you will take the log of both the variables, that is math score and the English score. What is your target variable? Let's say what name you will give, so log underscore math score. Okay, means we are taking the logarithm of both the variables, that log math score and the English score. So that is my target variable. Now what you will do, you will select from here the function, and from this box you will select log base 10, like this. I have selected this. Now you will click on this math score, then click on OK. Now what will happen, let me share this. Yes, yeah, this table. Now in this table, in this file you will see there is one more, that is called log math score. One new variable is added. What we have simply did, we have taken the log of this math, all the math score. So this is new variable. Now in all of your analysis you will use this particular variable, not the math score. You will use this log underscore math score. So what you will do, again we will check the normality of this new variable. So you will go to analyze, descriptive statistics and explore. We will deselect all the variables here, and we will simply select on this math score. We will check the normality plots with test, continue and then OK. Let me share my new screen, that is this one, I think. Yes. So here we will see that the log underscore math score is normally distributed because the significance value is 0.200, and for SW test the significance, but initially the value have changed, because initially when we here in math score the significance value was 0.03 and 0.002, but in when we take the logarithm, then the value of the significance value is changed, that is 0.20, and means for both the tests the p value is greater than 0.05. So you will say, we can say that my this new variable is normally distributed. In the same manner we can check the normality of other variable, that is English score. So thank you for watching. Thank you so much.